Shaving is a part of the everyday routine for many men. However, in order to get the perfect shave, you need to choose the right shaving essentials. Here is a list of shaving products you should buy so that you too can get the perfect shave. Before getting into the list, let's break down the shaving routine into 3 parts: pre-shave, shave, and post-shave. Beginning with pre-shave, the first product is face wash. It is essential that you wash your face with a face wash before getting into the shaving process. This helps cleanse your pores and get rid of dead skin cells and dirt on your skin. The second product is a shaving gel or cream. It helps to keep the moisture in the beard hair during the shave, making it softer and easier to cut. It also acts as a layer of protection between the razor and the skin, ensuring less friction. Moving on to shaving, the most important product in your shaving routine, the razor. I would strongly recommend the Gillette Mark III. Its strong and sharp blades cut hair effectively. The comfort strip on the razor indicates when the blades are dull and need to be changed. The adjustable head adjusts to the contour of your face, making your shaving experience easier and protects you from nicks and cuts. After getting a smooth and clean shave, you need to take care of your skin, and that's where the post-shave products come in. And lastly, we have an aftershave. What an aftershave does is prevent any skin irritation you might get post-shaving, and also close your pores to prevent bacteria and other germs from settling. And these are the products you need for a perfect shave. For more such tips and tricks, subscribe to the Gillette India channel.